Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, welcome to our today's English lesson. So, our topic today is about narrative text. Okay, so after this lesson, you will understand what a narrative text is, its structure, its language features, and you will be able to identify examples easily. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here are our lessons objectives, and by the end of this lesson you will be able to define what a narrative text is, identify the structure, recognize its language features, and analyze the examples. Okay, so anybody knows about what is narrative text is? Okay, it's about story. Okay, what else? Okay, good job. Okay, so in short, narrative text is a text that tells a story. So its main purpose is to entertain the reader or listener and sometimes to give moral lessons. Okay, so let's move to the generic structure. So every narrative text usually has three parts. So the first is orientation, the second one is complication, and the last one is about resolution. So the orientation, where we introduce the characters, place, or time, and the complication, where the conflict or problems happens, and the resolution, where the problem is solved. And sometimes there is also a reorientation or moral lesson at the end. Okay, so next is about language features. Okay, so narrative texts use past tense verbs such as went, saw, or played. So they also use connectors like once upon a time, then, after that, and finally. And to make the story more interesting, we often to use adjectives like beautiful, gorgeous, or clever, or strong. Now let's move to the example. So let's see an example here. This is a famous story of Cinderella. Now we will identify the structure from this text. Let's identify together. Okay, good job. So starting with the orientation, so the orientation from this text is Cinderella lived with her stepmother, and next is the the complication. The complication from this text is she was treated badly. Okay, so the last is what? Okay, the resolution. So the resolution from this text is she met the prince and lived happily ever after. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, so next is let's practice together. Okay, now read this story and try to identify where is the orientation, where is the complication, and the resolution. And I will give you guys like around 5 minutes? It's enough? No? Okay, so around 10 minutes. Enough? Okay? Okay, great. Okay, you guys are excellent. So, to summarize our lessons today, so narrative texts are stories that entertain. So they usually have orientation, complication, and the resolution. So they use past tense, connectors, and adjectives. Okay, so now I will give you guys reflection task. So write a short narrative text, just 4 until 5 sentences, and don't forget to using past tense and connectors like once upon a time or then. Okay, so will help you to practice. Okay, and I will check the reflection task next week. Okay, students? Okay, so thanks for today. Our lessons today is very fun, and you guys are excellent. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, students.